It's refreshing for me. I can move on to different avenues of research and sort of rule out that I was quite certain that Yowies did eat the lyre birds, and now I'm man enough to change my mind about that. So I'm not sure what Yowies eat. I've been leaving a few things about in the bush, mainly just like little wrappers of, muesli bars and Mentos and my own toilet paper and stuff like that. But I've revisited some of these areas where I've been leaving gifts for the Yowie, and they still seem to be on the ground. So I'll just have to keep experimenting, I guess. I haven't seen one today, but I know they're here, and I just got to figure out how to get one on camera. So I'll see you guys next time for the next Yowie bust. Cheers.